Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add text in Photopea. So before starting, you will have to choose a font and message for your design. So yeah, first you will again select the type tool, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is click anywhere on the canvas, and then you will have to type your text, and then you will use the tab options bar to change the font, the family, the style, the size, the alignment, and color. So what you will have to do is um you will press control and then enter, so that you will be able to commit text editing. And then to edit text later you will select the type tool again, and then you will click the text layer, and then you will move the text, switch to move, which is right here. And then you will just have to drag it, and then for text effects like stroke, shadow, or glow, you will open layer. You will just have to double click it so that you will be able to go to layer style, and then you will tweak the stroke, which is right here, the drop shadow, and the outer glow, the and etc. And there are a lot of options here, so you can just choose from this list. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.